In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 14-inch OLED laptops and compare three top contenders: the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED, the Asus Vivobook S 14 OLED, and the Lenovo Slim 7. Each laptop offers unique strengths and caters to different needs. Don't skip a beat. This video is packed with essential information, so make sure to watch it from start to finish. We'll cover everything from design and build quality to performance, battery life, and value for money. Every detail matters when choosing the right laptop, so pay close attention to our analysis. In the end, we'll reveal the clear winner and provide purchase links in the description below. So let's get started and find the perfect laptop for your needs in 2024. The Asus Zenbook 14 OLED 2024 offers a compelling blend of performance and affordability. One of the Zenbook's standout features is its impressive battery life. In my tests, it delivers over 15 hours of continuous YouTube playback on a single charge. This makes it an ideal choice for students or professionals who require a laptop that can keep up with their demanding schedules. However, the Zenbook's port selection is somewhat limited and outdated. It only offers two USB-C ports, one USB 4, one USB 3.2, a single USB-A port, and a full-size HDMI output. This might be a drawback for users who require a wider range of connectivity options. The Zenbook's design is also a matter of personal preference. While the aluminum frame feels sturdy and well-built, the overall aesthetic may not appeal to everyone. The black finish with etched lines can create a somewhat divisive appearance. In terms of performance, the Zenbook 14 OLED delivers solid results. Its AMD Ryzen 7 8840HS processor provides ample power for most tasks, and the 16 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking. While it may not be as powerful as some high-end laptops, it offers excellent value for the price. The Zenbook's keyboard and touchpad are comfortable to use, and the Harman Kardon speakers provide decent audio quality. However, there are a few operational quirks that may be bothersome to some users. For example, the fan can be quite noisy, even under moderate loads, and there have been reports of occasional screen color issues. Overall, it is a capable budget laptop that offers a good balance of performance, battery life, and affordability. While it has some limitations, such as its limited ports and potential operational quirks, it is a solid choice for students or professionals who require a reliable and affordable laptop. I've been using the AMD-powered Asus Vivobook S 14 OLED for several months, and while it's a bit late for a review, it remains a compelling option, especially considering its affordability. The Vivobook S 14 OLED boasts a sleek and stylish design with an all-black finish. While it may not be as subtle as the Zenbook 14, it still offers a premium feel thanks to its metal construction. The 180-degree hinge allows for flexible viewing angles, and the keyboard and touchpad are both comfortable to use. The 14-inch OLED display is a standout feature of this laptop. It offers excellent color accuracy, deep blacks, and vibrant visuals. While the peak brightness might not be as high as some other laptops, it's still suitable for most indoor use. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor, the Vivobook S 14 delivers impressive performance for daily tasks and multitasking. The integrated AMD Radeon 780ME graphics can handle light gaming and video editing. The 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB SSD provide ample storage and memory for most users. The 75 watt-hour battery in the Vivobook S 14 offers excellent battery life, easily lasting through a full day of work or study. The efficient AMD processor and power-saving features contribute to its impressive endurance. It offers a good selection of ports, including USB-A and USB-C connectors, HDMI, a micro SD card reader, and an audio jack. It features Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, providing fast and reliable wireless connectivity for tasks such as browsing the internet, streaming videos, and connecting to wireless devices. The stereo speakers provide decent audio quality, although they may not be as powerful as some dedicated speakers. The speakers are located on the sides of the chassis, firing outwards for a more immersive sound experience. The Asus Vivobook S 14 OLED is a well-rounded laptop that offers excellent value for money. Its stunning OLED display, powerful performance, and long battery life make it a great choice for students, professionals, and casual users alike. While the design may not be as subtle as some other laptops, it's still a stylish and functional device. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable laptop with a great display, the Vivobook S14 OLED is definitely worth considering. The Lenovo Slim 7 2024 offers a solid blend of performance and affordability. While it may not have the flashy design of some competitors, it delivers reliable performance and a comfortable typing experience. The Slim 7 features a simple yet sturdy design with rounded corners and a comfortable keyboard. While it may not feel as premium as some other laptops, it's well built and should withstand everyday use. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H CPU and ARC integrated graphics, the Slim 7 provides decent performance for most tasks. It excels in multi-core tasks but may struggle slightly in single-core benchmarks. The integrated graphics are suitable for casual gaming but won't handle demanding titles. The 14-inch OLED display offers excellent color accuracy and deep blacks. While the maximum brightness may not be as high as some other OLED laptops, it's still suitable for most indoor use. The resolution is 1920 by 1200, which may seem a bit low compared to newer laptops, but it's still sharp and clear. The keyboard on the Slim 7 is comfortable to type on, with good key travel and spacing. The touchpad is functional but may feel a bit small compared to some other laptops. The 64 watt-hour battery provides decent battery life, lasting around 7.5 hours on average. This is a bit short compared to some other laptops in this price range. It comes with a significant amount of pre-installed software, including Lenovo Vantage and McAfee antivirus. While some of this software may be useful, it can also be intrusive and can slow down the laptop. It's a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and affordable laptop. It offers decent performance, a comfortable keyboard, and a good display. While the battery life could be better and the pre-installed software can be intrusive, it's still a good option for everyday use. All three laptops in this comparison offer excellent value for money, but the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED 2024 emerges as the clear winner. Its combination of impressive battery life, solid performance, and affordable price makes it a compelling choice for students and professionals. While the Zenbook may have some limitations, such as its limited ports and potential operational quirks, it overall offers the best balance of features and value in this comparison.